When you're walking around Dubrovnik, you can't help but notice the incredible mountainscapes and natural landscapes that surround the city. And a great way to get up and explore this terrain is to go mountain biking. So today I'm going to meet Tommy, who's going to take me off on a little adventure. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. You must be Luis?
Yeah, and you're Tommy?
I'm Tommy. So here's your bike and your helmet and let's go ride.
Perfect, thank you. I'm cycling alongside the border between Bosnia and Croatia. But not so long ago, even just as far back as 1991, these mountainous landscapes behind me would have been one of the front lines during the Yugoslav wars. Thankfully, these days, the landmines have been cleared and the landscapes are flourishing. But look at this.
This is a French fortification system to protect Dubrovnik from invaders built during the beginning of the 19th century.
So there are city walls even outside the city?
Yeah, you may find similar fortifications around, especially in this area of Srđ. Let's go.
Cool. It's breathtaking cycling along these roads, and not just because of the exercise. The views when you come soaring down the valleys, it literally is like you're flying over these landscapes. With the breeze in your face, it's so refreshing.
Here we are.
So, tell me about where we are now.
We are now in Župa Dubrovačka, and this is a monastery of St. Vincent.
And it's such a peaceful place to stop. It feels very calm.
Yeah, it is, yeah. You know, the monks always choose peaceful places because they used to meditate here,
Yeah.
you know.
It's nice because after the thrill of like coming down all the slopes and the curves and like wind rushing in your face, it's like a real contrast of places.
Everywhere are some kind of the, how to say, surprises, you know.
What was amazing about this bike ride was that 1 minute you're cycling through these sweeping lush valleys and the next you're pedaling through quaint tiny little villages that have some incredible ancient architecture and really cool ruins. Outside the city there is so much to see.